and this time we will see how to use continue feature tool. Let's create polygon, create polygon, finish. If we want to add another polygon with this polygon, then we can use the continue feature tool. Let's save this one and click on continue feature. Now if we add another polygon with this and finish, this polygon is part of this polygon. Let's save this. If we click on this polygon, the both polygons are selected as they are the part of single polygon. That means multiple polygons are in a single feature. Multipart polygon. And if we can continue another one with this, finish, save. This is the multipart polygon.